Alright guys, hopefully you like the motorcycle ride. Pretty nice day. It's a little windy. I just figured today's Sunday, and I just figured I'd do a little video, a quick video, on some of my tools I got from O'Reilly's, and I've gone over this before, but they gave me another one to try out. So here's my power torque. This is the big 1/2 inch. I put a lot of pressure on this. I can actually watch it bend a little bit. Here's my 3/8, and these are fine tooths. They're 120 tooth on the 3/8, 120 on the 1/2 inch also. And then this is my favorite ratchet I just picked up. And I think they told me it's an 80 tooth. It's a low profile. Let me go get one of my other ratchets just for comparison. Yeah, she's windy today. She's blowing right in. It might blow down. It's dust storm out there. Really. So here's the old Craftsman one. There we go. Here's a newer China-made Craftsman. That's quite a bit of difference. Yeah, maybe I'll put it in front. There, that's better. So yeah, this is my new go-to. I love it. Hasn't failed me yet. It's always easy to flip the little selector. Alright guys, so here's the new one I got, and they want me to try this out. So it's an extension, a wobble extension, and this has got some kind of spring-loaded O-ring deal inside. They want me to use this hard, and they want to know if this is going to wear out. So it's bigger than a 6-inch, I think. So total length is 8 inches. Alright guys, I got the camera switched around. Maybe take a closer look at this. So this is a Titan, and it's a 3/8 drive called No Flop. The number is it's a 68-138. There it's laser inscribed with Titan. It's got some knurling on here, that's smooth. And this is a 17mm hex plus, the extension. So this will be a good feature. I don't have any extensions with that. So there's a 17. And these are my iron cubes. I love them. Very cheap. Alright guys, one of the things we might use this for, you could use it for anything, but one of the things you might use it for is for spark plugs. So I went and got one of my spark plug sockets. This is a 5/8 Mac. So there you go. See, it doesn't flop all the way over. Alright, let me go get a regular socket. So here's like a 10mm Craftsman. Yeah, I don't know what's in there, if that's an O-ring or if that's a spring. Yeah, I can't wait to use this, so. Alright guys, I can't wait to start using this. I want to thank O'Reilly's for letting me try it out. I'm not sure if I get to keep it or not, but they want me to try it out. So here it is. I'm not sure if this is a new tool or not, but they watched some of my videos and they seen that I'll do a video and then I'll use it too. I do a lot of work here. So, alright, well, what the project is for today, hopefully I get this done before Indy and before the NASCAR, but gotta put some spark plugs in the F-150. I got new coils and new spark plugs. I got the Motorcraft. So yeah, I'm gonna get started on that. I don't think this is one where they break off. So, and it's been sitting in here all night, so it's not warmed up at all. So I'm just going to give it a try. But anyways, that's what I'm going to do after after I upload this video. So, alright guys, hope you guys are all having a good Sunday and good day, and hope it's not too windy where you are. So just a minute ago, I was wondering what that noise was. It blew the mat, my welcome mat, away from the door. So it's pretty windy. Alright guys, hope you're having a good day, and thanks for watching, and you can catch me next time. We'll see you later.